Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode on VitalGlow Life, your ultimate guide to holistic beauty and wellness. Today, we're diving into the world of skin tightening, exploring the holistic methods that can help you maintain a youthful, radiant complexion. Proper skincare is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. And these tips are here to ensure that both those boxes are ticked. So let's not keep you waiting any longer. Stay tuned as we delve into useful and natural ways to keep your skin firm and glowing. The first tip on our list is something you've probably heard a million times: hydration. Yes, it's that simple, yet so powerful. Hydration is the cornerstone of not just overall health, but also the elasticity and vibrancy of your skin. When you're well hydrated, your body can function at its best, expelling toxins and promoting cell regeneration, which in turn promotes firmer, more supple skin. Now, how can you achieve this? The answer is twofold. First, aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. This might seem like a lot, but remember, your body is about 60% water and it needs to stay replenished. Second, incorporate water-rich fruits and vegetables into your diet. Cucumbers, watermelons, oranges, and strawberries are great options to help you meet your hydration goals. Remember, a well-hydrated body means well-hydrated skin, so drink up. Moving on, let's talk about the role of exercise and facial yoga in maintaining skin tightness. Regular exercise is a boon for our overall health, and our skin is no exception. When we exercise, our heart rate increases, pumping more oxygen and nutrients to our skin, enhancing its health and glow. Now, let's dive into the world of facial yoga, a practice that targets the muscles of the face. Just like the muscles in our body, those in our face need workouts too. Facial yoga involves performing a series of exercises that work these muscles, helping to tighten the skin over time. It's a natural way to fight the signs of aging and maintain that youthful firmness we all desire. From cheek sculpting to eye brightening exercises, facial yoga offers a range of techniques to keep your face looking toned and youthful. Incorporating exercise and facial yoga into your routine can be a game changer for your skin's firmness and vitality. Now, let's explore the magic of natural remedies for skin tightening. Mother Nature has gifted us with some truly miraculous ingredients that can help us achieve that youthful, firm skin we all desire. Let's start with egg white masks. Egg whites are rich in proteins that can tighten and tone the skin. Simply whip up an egg white until it's frothy, apply it to your face and rinse off after 15 minutes. Next up is the humble aloe vera. Known for its moisturizing and anti-aging properties, applying aloe vera gel to your skin can help improve its elasticity over time. Last but not least, the cooling cucumber. Grate a cucumber, extract its juice, and apply it to your face. Its natural astringent properties will help to firm up your skin. Remember, these remedies might take time to show results, but the wait is worth it. The journey towards natural beauty is a rewarding one. Embrace these natural remedies and watch your skin regain its youthful tightness and glow. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap our holistic tips for skin tightening. We've explored the immense power of hydration and its importance in maintaining firm and youthful skin. We've also delved into the benefits of exercise and facial yoga in promoting circulation and toning facial muscles. Finally, we've unlocked the magic of natural remedies that nourish and rejuvenate your skin. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to VitalGlow Life for more beauty and wellness tips. Stay glowing!